Hey everyone, are you looking for a place to learn more about climate issues? To find a community of people who care about environmentalism?
Come join over 250 other high school students and learn more about the climate movement at the 2024 Bay Area Youth Climate Summit. Our organizing team is made up of entirely high schoolers and focuses on environmental justice, literacy, and community building.
This year, our team of 30 is working to put our 5th annual summit on September 28th in San Francisco. It'll feature 15 workshops led by different community organizations and speakers. Our theme this year is focused on exploring creative solutions and climate interests, meaning no matter what you're interested in, whether it's AI, transportation, or healthcare, or more, we have a workshop for you.
All of our workshops are led by our real-world professionals who are actively working towards building climate solutions, which means we will not only get to meet lots of other youth who are passionate about the same issues, but a network of professionals in the field.
Along with our workshops, at our lunch activity fair, you can decorate pots and plant plants that sequester extra CO2, get lunch from local food trucks, come to a pop-up thrift shop, screen print on tote bags and shirts, and even work on a community mural.
The summit is on September 28th, which is just a few weeks away, so make sure you sign up soon. It is going to be held in San Francisco at UCSF Mission Bay in Genentech Hall. The entire summit is free, and public transportation is easily accessible to the location. We are also offering scholarships to pay for lunch and transportation for those who need it.
So why should you really come to the summit?
Hi, I'm Tara, and I went to the summit last year at the Academy of Sciences. And one of the highlights was a workshop I went to led by YUCA, which is Youth United for Community Action. And they taught us about their work on environmental justice in East Palo Alto. And I was super inspired by the youth activism.
I got my favorite sweater that I wear all the time for basically nothing from the summit.
I am so excited for Elise Joshi to be our keynote speaker and for her to speak about the instrumental power of youth in galvanizing young voters and in moving the needle on labor rights and climate justice.
When I went, I was a little bit scared that I wouldn't know anyone, but they made me feel so welcomed and so loved and like I belonged, and that was really awesome. I had such a good time that I ended up joining BCS.
BCS has given me the opportunity to meet so many different people in so many different areas of the climate. I recently talked to Ed McFarland, who's a sustainable urban planner, as a part of an article I wrote for BCS. Hearing him talk about his work in building sustainable cities for a climate-resilient future was so inspiring that I'm considering a career in urban planning myself now. He's also leading a workshop in this year's summit, so I'm so excited to attend his workshop and learn more about urban planning.